If you want to get Microsoft Word for free, this video will walk you through the simplest, safe method on a Windows PC. We're going to use the Microsoft Store, find Word, and install it without paying upfront if your version is available as a free download or trial. This is a quick and beginner-friendly guide, so even if you've never done this before, you'll be able to follow along easily. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, click the Windows Start button on your screen. You can usually find it in the bottom left corner of your desktop. Once the Start menu opens, type Microsoft Store into the search bar. When you see the Microsoft Store in the results, click it to open the app. Now that you're inside the Microsoft Store, use the search bar at the top and type Word. Press Enter or select the search result to see what comes up. In most cases, you'll see several Microsoft-related apps and Office options, so take your time and look carefully through the results. From the search results, select Microsoft Word. Make sure you choose the correct app, not a random lookalike or third-party tool. Once you're on the Word page, look for the Install button or any option that says Get, Free, or Install for free. If that option is available, click it to begin the download. Depending on your device and account, you may be asked to sign in with a Microsoft account. If that happens, just follow the prompts and sign in so the installation can continue. After that, the setup process will begin automatically. Give it a few moments while Word downloads and installs on your computer. When the setup finishes, you can open Word right away from the Microsoft Store, the Start menu, or your desktop if a shortcut was created. The first time you launch it, you may see a welcome screen or a prompt to sign in again. Just complete those steps and then Word should open normally and be ready to use. If you were able to get Word through the free option, that's it. You now have Microsoft Word installed and ready for documents, schoolwork, business writing, or anything else you need. Just remember that availability can vary depending on your region, your Microsoft account, and whether the free version is being offered as a trial or as part of a bundle. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials, step-by-step guides, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.